How to share a PowerPoint presentation as PDF to Gmail. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple and easy. Just go to PowerPoint. This is the home page. Now click on the top here, choose the document that you want to share. For example, I'm gonna choose this one and click here in the top corner on this little share icon. Click on it. Now click on the full document option right here. And now choose PDF and wait a few seconds, and here you go. Now right here you will find the Gmail option. If you didn't find it, just swipe right like this until you find it and click on it. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you later.